red color, red color, blue color, blue color, yellow color, yellow color, black color, black color, green color, green color, white color, white color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use red color O-N-E-1. Kids again use red color and draw 2. T-W-O-2. Kids night 3. The numbers of 3 and use red color T-H-R-W-3 4 F-O-U-R 4 5 F-I-V-E 5. Kids night 6. The numbers of 6 and use blue color S-I-X 6 7 S-E-V-E-N 7 8 E-I-G-H-T 8. Kids again use blue color and draw 9 N-I-N-E 9. Kids 9 to 10 and again use blue color T-E-N 10. Kids 9 to 11. The numbers of 11 and use yellow color 12. The numbers of 12. Kids again use yellow color and draw 13. The numbers of 13. 14. The numbers of 14. Kids again use yellow color and draw 15. The numbers of 15. Kids night 16. The numbers of 16 and use black color 17. The numbers of 17. Kids again use black color and draw 18. The numbers of 18. 19. The numbers of 19. Kids again use black color and let's draw 20. The numbers of 20. Red color, yellow color, blue color, green color, white color, black color. Kids now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids first draw A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. Kids again use red color and draw B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. C for cat, C for car. D for dog, D for doll. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids again use red color and draw F for fish, F for fan. G for goat, G for grapes. Kids now H for hen, H for helicopter, and use yellow color. Yellow color. I for ice. I for ice cream. J for joker. J for jackfruit. Kids again use yellow color and draw K for king. K for kangaroo. L for lion. L for lemon. Kids again use yellow color and draw M for moon. M for mango. N for nose. N for nest. Kids neither O for orange. O for octopus, and use blue color. Blue color. P for parrot. P for penguin. Q for queen. Q for quail. Kids again use blue color and draw R. R for rose. R for rice. S for sun. S for snake. T for teacher. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for uncle. Kids neither V for van. V for vanilla, and use green color. Green color. The alphabets of V. Kids again use green color and draw W. W for wolf. W for watch. Kids again use green color and draw X. X for X-ray. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Red color. Red color. Green color. Green color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Blue color. Blue color. Black color. Black color. White color. White color. Kids now coloring ABC 1 to 3 and 2D shapes. Kids first draw A. A for apple. A for aeroplane, and use red color. Kids again use red color and draw B. B for ball. B for bat. Kids again use red color and draw C. C for cat. C for car. Kids neither D. D for dog. D for doll, and use green color. Green color. E for egg. E for elephant. Kids neither numbers, and first draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use yellow color. O-N-E-1. Kids again use yellow color and draw 2. T-W-O-2. Kids again use yellow color and draw 3. T-H-R-W-3. Kids neither 4, and use blue color. Blue color. F-O-U-R 4. 5. F-I-V-E 5. Kids neither shapes, and first draw square, the shape of square, and use red color. Red color. Kids neither circle, the shape of circle, and use green color. Green color. Kids need a triangle, the shape of triangle, and use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids need a heart, the shape of heart, and use blue color. Blue color. Kids, let's draw Easter, the shape of Easter, and use black color. Black color. Colors name: red color, red color, blue color, blue color, yellow color, yellow color, green color, green color, black color, black color, white color, white color. Kids and eye coloring ABC and 1 to 3. Kids, first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. B. B for ball, B for bat, and again use red color. Kids need a C. C for cat, C for car. D. D for dog, D for doll. E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids again use red color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. G. G for goat, G for grapes. H for hen, H for horse, and again use red color. Kids, now draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids, now draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, and use blue color. Blue color. The alphabets of J. Kids again use blue color and draw K. K for kite, K for king. Kids now draw L. L for lion, L for lemon. M. M for moon, M for mango. Kids again use blue color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. O. O for orange, O for octopus. Kids again use blue color and draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Q. Q for queen, Q for quill. Kids now draw R. R for rose, R for rice, and use yellow color. Yellow color. The alphabets of R. S. S for sun, S for snake. T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids again use yellow color and draw U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. V. V for van, V for vanilla. Kids again use yellow color and draw W. W for watch, W for wallet. X. X for x-ray, X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Kids again use yellow color and draw Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Kids now draw numbers, and first you draw 1. The numbers of 1, and use green color. Green color. O N E 1, 2, T W O 2, 3, T H R W 3, 4, F O U R 4, 5, F I V E 5. Kids again use green color and draw 6. S I X 6. 7. S E V E and 7. 8. E I G H T 8. 9. N I N in 9. Kids again use green color and lusty dot 10. T E and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.